Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to save Android contacts through iCloud. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to save your contacts through your cloud storage, so let's see how you can do this. First, let me explain that iCloud is not supported by Android phones. You have an option of Google Cloud in your Android phone. So let's see how you can do this. First, you have to open your phone settings. In phone settings, just scroll down to end, and here you will get the settings of Google. Just tap on it, then select all services, and here look for Google Contact Sync. Just look for this, and here's the option. Just select it, and here tap on status, and here you can see Google Contact Sync is turned off or disabled. You just have to tap on it, and it will be enabled, and after that your all contacts will be uploaded or saved to your cloud storage. These all contacts will be saved on your Gmail account, or if you want to restore your contacts, so you just have to go back, and here's another option which is restore contacts. Just select it, and then select Google Sync settings, and after that your all contacts will be synced or restored to your device. So that's how you can save Android contacts through iCloud. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.